Okay, so here he is out of the box, and he's a pretty good figure. I do have a few issues with him, but no figure's perfect. The red is uneven. That's about my biggest complaint in vehicle mode. Although I will admit, he is definitely not the biggest vehicle, despite being an ambulance. You know, like, he's not really that much bigger than Bumblebee. Here he is with his rival Lockdown. But yeah, it's a good looking ambulance mode. It serves its purpose. I just wish there was a way to store all these tools. But, you know, he's got the lifeline thing there and not a whole lot of kibble underneath. So, yeah, accurate vehicle mode, thumbs up. So transform him into his robot mode. And he actually kind of mass shifts. You know, while he's not that big in vehicle mode, his size does change some when we get to robot mode. All right. Now we just detach this. And fold the arm down. We pull these out. Then we fold out his hands. Same thing on this side. Take his man gut. Just kind of have to convince it. Split the legs, hold the feet out, and the heels kind of fold out at the same time. And then you just want to make sure this tab lines up with that button. And just a second. Let's just camera up a little bit. And then just his head pops up, fold this up in here. And here we got Ratchet in his robot mode. And for the most part, he's pretty accurate. Got a head sculpt. He looks very grumpy. He's got some good light piping. Like I said, I do still have a couple gripes. These shoulders are way too tall. They should be like, you know, just squares that go on his shoulders. These things that are supposed to be like his magnets are not that great because you fold the arm up. It's just annoying the way it activates. It keeps you from posing him because these flip up. That's how they made it where it activates. You can't push it back into place. And then maybe as a just minor nitpick, the way the tools store could be a little bit better, but that's about it. Otherwise, I think he's a really, really good figure, very accurate and fun. And while in vehicle mode he was not that big, here he's still not huge, but he's noticeably taller than the likes of Bumblebee, which is how it should be. Now, of course, he's a lot shorter than Lockdown. Of course, I wanted to bring Lockdown in for this review. Just wait for it to focus. Yeah. Okay. Now, this is kind of interesting. I saw somewhere that, you know, they did make a place for you to plug it in, but that the gimmick didn't activate, so you had to chip away some of the plastic. Either that was just one case, or I lucked out because the gimmick activates no problem for me. So, I don't know. So, I'm glad that works and I don't have to chip away some of the plastic. And then you get all these tools. You got his hammer here. This is my favorite one. See, there's a clip here. You just clip it on there. You fold this up, and then it can look like he's grabbing it. So that's pretty cool. Then the wrench. I like the wrench, so just clip it on there, hold it up. Then there's some places right here where you can just kind of slide them over. Like I said, not the best weapon storage, but it gets the job done. So, yeah, a good figure. I'm glad I have in my collection, and I would say he's worth tracking down. So, I'll go ahead and stick him on the display and call it. Alright, so there's Ratchet with my animated collection. You might notice I've also added Optimus Prime and Wreck-Gar to the collection. So, I'll probably review Optimus tomorrow. I almost have all the main cast. The only one I need now is Bulkhead. So, that's my review for Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Ratchet. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and God bless.